Example 1. A group of students were asked whether they liked Marvel movies. The table shows the results. In example A, fill out the missing information in the table. To complete the missing information, we work with a particular row or column at a time. You only need 2 out of the 3 pieces to complete the row or column. For example, the boys row. We have 125 plus an unknown number equals 200. So the unknown number is 75. Moving to the column of students who like Marvel movies, we have 125 boys plus an unknown number of girls equals 175, telling us that there are 50 girls who like Marvel movies. We now can add the total of the girls. We have 50 plus 60 equaling 110. We can also add the totals for students who dislike Marvel movies, and 75 plus 60 equals 135. Finally, the last section, finding the total number of people surveyed. 200 plus 110 equals 310. Now, if completed correctly, both the totals of the columns and rows should equal the same number 310, which they do. In example B, what is the probability that a student randomly selected is a girl? First, setting up the fraction. For the denominator, it's the total possible outcomes, or in other words, everyone surveyed, which is 310. For the numerator, this is the outcomes we're interested in, which in this case is the total of the girls being 110. Simplifying the fraction, we get 11 over 31. In the next question, finding the probability of a boy who likes Marvel movies. We set up the fraction. For the denominator, it's the total number of people surveyed, which is 310. Now for the numerator, this is the outcomes we're interested in, which in this case is the boys who like Marvel movies, which is 125. Simplifying the fraction, we get 25 over 62. In example C, what is the probability that a student randomly selected is a girl and dislikes Marvel movies? Well, in this question, we need to be careful because we are given further information that the student is a girl. This changes the sample space because now we're only selecting from girls, not the entire survey. So setting up the fraction, for the denominator, it's the total number of girls, which is 110. Now for the numerator, this is the outcomes we're interested in, which in this case is girls who dislike Marvel movies, which is 60. Simplifying the fraction, we get 6 over 11. The next lesson is experimental probability. To find out why we learn this, click here and I'll see you in the next one.